So you want ChatGPT to help you create an essay. You're actually in the right place. So in order to get started, let's say for example that I want to write my essay using Google Docs. So here what I'm going to do is to go into Google Docs. I'm going to go here and I'm going to go into type blank new document. So let's say that my essay is talking about some killer whales. So let's say that I have an introduction. I do have the very first content, and this is, let's say for example, like a diet of killer whales. Tips, or let's say that curiosity, or let's say things you did not know about killer whales, and go back into the ChatGPT. In here, what you want to do, of course, is to sign in. You want to sign up. If you have a actual account of Google or Microsoft, it's going to be just really easy to sign up. So once you have that, let's say that I want to ask whatever question I want to do. Let's say I am building or creating an essay about killer whales. Help me make an introduction where you quote, or would you asked, let's say quote, the idea that killer whales are in danger. And boom, as the Mighty Orca, also known as a killer whale, blah blah blah. So I just copy this one and I paste that into my introduction part of my essay. So what I just need to do is to give some let's say, like, how you call it, let's call this style. So I'm gonna just delete the, let's say, the colors and all that, so I can just delete this part. I can go into paste without formatting, install, and boom, there we go. So you don't want to expect ChatGPT is going to do all the work for you. I mean, this is just a tool that can be helping you to do a lot of stuff. And speaking about code and essay, it's going to be helping you a lot. But I mean, this is a tool. Once again, you want to just use this tool to help you improve your work. So with that being said, guys, take in mind which information is accurate for you, which one do you like or not. And now with that being said, guys, we have really reached into the very end of the video. You can ask wherever you wanted to into the actual ChatGPT. You can ask whatever you wanted to. You can ask so much more, and you want to have everything into just one chat, so you can train the ChatGPT to help you improve the feedback and the way you're going to be answering all your questions. So thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have lots of fun with ChatGPT, and I'll see you next time.